For an efficient and quick cleaning of the glass pane, you can simply unfold the glass pane without tools while it is cold on the MIWE account. I would be happy to show you how to do it. Always clean the glass pane while it is cold. If your oven has a middle knurled screw, please remove it first. To perform this, unfold the door, unscrew the screw, then rotate the left and right knurled screws 90 degrees to the left each, and slowly and carefully let the glass pane slide down. While holding the glass pane with the door handle, place the glass pane in front of the door. Now you can effortlessly clean the glass panel, fold it back up, and reassemble it in the opposite order. Rotate the knurled screws to the right, and at the end, screw in the middle knurled screw once more.